Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and I am in the abandoned town of Keota, Colorado, or Keota. I'm not sure how to pronounce it exactly. So I did bring my drones with me and my Cinewhoop, so it is a little windy. We'll see if the wind calms down a little bit, and I'll try and possibly fly. I'm just gonna kind of take a round. There's a few buildings here. There used to be a house here. It's all boarded up, so we won't really be able to get inside very much and see much, but hope you enjoy my little adventure. Here's a really old mailbox. This is Lee Charles. Don't know who that was. Possibly somebody that lived here at one time. Got to be careful. There's all kinds of nails. Looks like that goes down maybe into a cellar or a basement or something. This is really cool. It's a shame that people have come here and vandalized these beautiful little buildings, but check this out, guys. Look at this. This is awesome. Roof is definitely decayed. I would not want to be walking around in here. There's some shelves, so definitely this used to be some kind of store. I don't know what it was exactly. We're coming around to the back side of the building here. Check this out. There's some really old carpet. Just some really old cool stuff. Check it out. Go around the back here. It's about ready to fall in, definitely for sure. Gotta watch where I walk and everything, because there's definitely snakes and God knows what else out here. Old nails. There's a back door or something. Oh, there we go. We can kind of see some stuff out here. Looks like there's the basement. Okay, so this probably led down into the basement. Oh wow, cool. Look, guys, there's some old jars and stuff in there. That's kind of cool. So here's an old house that somebody used to live in, so I'm going to kind of walk around, guys, and show you it. Here's the front gate. So the front door is definitely, it's locked, but looks like, unfortunately, vandals have gotten in here and graffitied the place, which is kind of a shame. You know, that people don't respect history, and you know, that's just kind of a shame. Here's a piece of an old rocking chair that's left, so let's take a look inside. There's an old bed in there. Another door. Check out this, everything. This is a small bed right here. I'd go in, but I'm too afraid. So here's an old garage that's behind the house that we were just at. There's an old, I don't know, maybe a water heater or something? I don't know, I'm not sure. Some random stuff, just looks like that's maybe an old gas tank, an old lift or something. I have no idea. Wasp nests. Go around in this part here. There's old, I don't know if that's looks like a grill maybe, or oh yeah, it's a grill. Old buckets and whatnot. Just some random stuff. We're gonna go over there if we can, and there's another building over here. Looks like it's off limits over here, so we can't get back over there. And looks like I think it's an electrical fence, so, and there's a no trespassing posted, so we will definitely abide by the law. But check out this old building, guys, it's pretty cool. Still standing. Okay everybody, so that's it for Keota, Colorado. I hope you enjoyed this short video. There's not much I could really get, but we got some really cool footage. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. And if you like my channel, if you are not a subscriber, consider subscribing down below. And as always guys, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll see you later.